Do you know a recent research found that painting cows with zebra stripes cuts insect attacks by 20%? Painting cows with zebra-like stripes may be a simple strategy to keep biting flies at bay. There was over 50% reduction in the number of biting flies seen on legs and body of the cows painted with zebra-like stripes compared with cows that were not painted thus. As a result of reduced biting fly attacks, the cows painted with white stripes saw 20% reduction in fly-repelling behavior. Foot stamping, tail flicking, skin twitching, and head throwing. Traditionally, pesticides have been used to control biting flies. Very often, insects develop resistance against even newly introduced pesticides. In light of this, the environmental-friendly approach to control biting insects becomes appealing. Several studies carried out earlier have shown that biting flies affect the behavior of cattle. These flies can reduce grazing, feeding, and bedding downtime of cattle and increase the fly-repelling behaviors of cows. Japanese researchers painted 6 Japanese black cows with white strips to resemble the zebra-like pattern. They used 2 control groups, black cows painted with black stripes and cows that were not painted with any stripes. All 3 cows were kept side by side and tied to a stake in the ground. They observed each cow in the morning and evening with a total of 6 observations for each cow. All the 3 cows were observed simultaneously in sunlight or shade. During each observation, photo images were taken. Painting is generally a short-term measure. The development of more effective techniques to ensure the persistence of black and white stripes on livestock during the biting fly season may be necessary in order to apply this method to animal production sites. Studies carried out earlier by painting non-animate objects and covering horses with cloth coats with a strip pattern showed that there were far fewer landings of flies when painted with zebra-like stripes. Earlier studies by several researchers have attributed reduced landing of biting flies to modulation brightness or polarized light. Others have found insects approaching the target faster and failing to de-accelerate just before making contact with zebra surfaces. The stripes confuse the flies and as a result, they are unable to control their approach and landing.